want to give a big shout out to our friends Pam and Lou for letting us stay in Maine with them. We had a wonderful time. Thanks again, Pam and Lou.
Thank you.
We're just going along as we please, breezing along with the breeze.
Okay, we're on 95 South. We're going to run 95 South down to Massachusetts. We're going to spend the night at a Walmart down there. It's a halfway point between where we're in Carmel, Maine to the Caroga Lake, New York, where we're going to watch the motocross race. And we'll talk to you when we get there. The traffic isn't too bad.
Never travel in 95 on a Friday. Okay, you're in Massachusetts.
We did run into a traffic jam where we were all stopped several times on I-95 South before we got to Massachusetts. It was mostly through New Hampshire. But that's what you get when you drive on a Friday afternoon when everybody was getting out of work.
There it is.
Look out, people, I'm going to blow my horn.
Go ahead, baby. We're heading to New York for a motocross race. Stay to the right. And then we go straight at the red light. Takes us right into Walmart, where we'll be spending the night for the first time. So we're going to be asphalt boondocking. First time at Walmart. He's just barking at the people. Go ahead. So we're going to park right here. So the dogs have somewhere to go to the bathroom. There you go, that's great. So we're staying out of Walmart for the first time, and it'll be different. I'll tell you how it goes in the morning. Bird's got a bath. There's a tractor trailer over here. You can't. Oh my, look at me. See this donation box over here? There has been 6 people come, not to donate, but to pick up. Hopefully I can catch one on camera. Alright, I don't know if you can see her, but there's someone over there. See her over there? Oh yeah. There comes another person. Amazing. It's just like a shopping mall there. You take the movie out there?
Okay, good morning, guys. Team Terry here. Alright, we spent the night at Walmart parking lot.
Oi.
What a bunch of crap this is. I don't know. I ain't dealing with this. I mean, you got trucks, cars, weirdos, partiers, and it was warm, so we couldn't really get cooled off enough. But we're on the road. We're getting ready to get on the road this morning, head to Caroga, New York, Lake Caroga, New York.
Mom, can I take a nap now?
I was up all night watching.
Okay, Rudy, you can take a nap.
Alright, I will. But I know, you know I love you.
We stopped here at Walmart. We ended up moving 3 times. The first time we set up, we were a little bit too long. We were sticking out in the front and in the back, and with the bikes, we were afraid somebody was going to drive by and take the bikes off the back. We didn't need that. Then we moved to another spot where security told us we could park because they got security until 3:30 in the morning. They drive around and check the parking lot. He told me to park in a certain spot, so we did. Then all of a sudden it started downpouring. Well, there was a bunch of people or young kids, teenagers, adults, whatever, young adults, pulled in behind us, and they started partying and raising hell back there. So we decided, we didn't feel comfortable staying in the spot we were at, so we ended up moving over out of the way. We went over to Home Depot, because across the little side street there in the same area, it was a Home Depot. So we drove over there, and it was still raining, like I said before. It was downpouring. And I called Home Depot and spoke to a supervisor, and she says, well, you could play dumb and say you didn't know you couldn't park there and take your chances, but I don't like getting woke up at 2, 3 in the morning to end up moving a coach. So we ended up leaving there and went back over to Walmart, and there was a restaurant in the same parking lot. We ended up pulling in there and parking for the night. It was a little bit better of an area than what we were at. It wasn't as busy with traffic and noise and stuff. But we actually should have parked along the curb, but we didn't. We ended up parking out in the middle of the parking lot. Woke up the next morning. I didn't get much sleep because it was hot to begin with. And then you're dealing with everybody driving by, the headlights coming through the windows, things like that. And the uneasiness of, you don't know who's driving through the parking lot. It was a very busy place. So I think next time if we're in that area, we're going to bypass that Walmart. It wouldn't have been probably too bad if they would have let us park out in back of the Walmart where there was a lot of parking for tractor trailers and stuff, but they wanted us parked where we were.
Probably taking me another one of these damn things where I'm not supposed to be on it.
Recalculating.
Yeah.
And once again, going to the racetrack, we're traveling down the New York State Thruway, getting off to head to the racetrack at Royal Mountain. Our GPS took us the back roads again.
It took us on a back road again.
Oh,
Turkeys!
Look at the turkeys! There's nothing better to have with you than wild turkey.
Don't know why it does it, but it seems like every time we get out into the boonies like this, it always wants to take us through the back roads, through the farmlands and things like this, which I don't mind because, it's country.
I always wondered how animals stop at the state line.
What?
Animals, they stop at the state line. They never go into the other state.
What the hell was that?
That was a branch. We're on a back road, dear. They don't trim trees back here.
Well, there's sunflowers, aren't those?
Yep.
Field of sunflowers.
All sunflowers.
But sometimes you don't know what you're looking at when you get out into them, if it's going to come down to a single road, a dirt road, a road full of potholes, or having to open someone's gate, drive through the field, and open up the other gate to get back out of the field. We don't know what's out there.
It was like a field of squash.
But I think sometimes our GPS likes to take us on adventures. And as you can see in our photo or in our videos there, you'll see where the wild turkeys come out on the road until seeing us Team Terry come rolling down the highway. We're not used to seeing the big motor coaches coming that way, unless they got a GPS like ours.
34 north. You're going to merge.
It says here I'm going on 116.
Here it is. in the middle.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Of course,
Per mile, your destination will be on the left.
And as you can see, as we come up to Royal Mountain, we're going to make a left. We're going to go all the way up the top here.
Left side.
And as we get up to the top, a guy that, I guess he runs the place, or he's a manager of the place, or owner of the place.
here it comes.
He was on his all-terrain vehicle, and he stopped. We had to pay $10.
Yeah.
Somebody said you got a motorcycle. We got two. You got the money?
That's nice over there too. But I like this.
Right here.
Yeah, I like this spot, like right behind that. That's really good. How wet is it? You want me to get out and check?
Too late.
And we're going to pull over here in this nice, well, it's not really level spot, but we end up parking on this one spot. The guy said this was the most level spot there was, so we're going to pull into here and park, get leveled up, get the awning out, get set up for the weekend.
Sitting here at our motorhome at the racetrack, as they're fixing it up with the bulldozer over there.
See the ski lift in the background. That's so it takes the motorcycles from the bottom up to the top.
No. We're in a nice position. Dave will show you that. This is the day before the race.
I'll bite him, Dad. I'll bite him. I'll bite him.
But the camping was free, but the $10 was for the race, which was being held on Sunday. And the son, he'll be here before long with his bike and stuff, getting ready to race. All right, we'll talk to you later. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure you share with your friends and family. Also, check out TeamTerryRVing.com. I write a blog once a week or every 2 weeks on what we've accomplished, what we've done during the week that we don't really show on video. All right, we'll catch y'all later. Catch you on the road. There's the start line right here. Starting gate. They take off. They go up across. And then they come zipping back down across. And around here. They come down around the whoop-de-doos over there by the finish line. And they come flying around. They come right back up through, I believe. Here, as soon as everybody gets here. You can already see some people parked there. And from where the start-finish line is. And there's the wife over there. So we got a pretty good spot. The other guys are starting to show up now. See, this is a ski resort. But during the summer they race motorcycles. You can see the ski lift here. Yeah, okay. I'll show you guys more later.
Thank you for watching.
And give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And share it with your friends and family.
Make sure you ring that bell so you get a notification.
Catch you on the road.
Bye. That's our granddaughter.